What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ding the bell so you don't miss any of my guides, tips, and mobile game hacks. Today, I'm showing you a totally legit method how to get unlimited gems in Shadow Fight 4 using nothing but your phone. I tried it myself and the resources hit my account in minutes. Let's walk it through, step by step. First, open Shadow Fight 4 and pop into your profile or settings. There you'll find your unique player ID, snap a screenshot or jot it down somewhere. You'll need it in just a second. Got it? Sweet. Let's keep rolling. Next, launch your browser and visit the site. Search for Shadow Fight 4, then click on the Unlimited Gems hack when it pops up. It's super easy and works right from your phone. On the generator page, you'll see a short form that asks for stuff like platform and player ID you saved earlier. Double-check your details, then press Connect. The tool will sync up with your account in seconds. Now, pick how many resources you'd like to receive, and hit Generate. The tool will do its encryption and server checks behind the scenes. Before the resources drop into your account, you must pass a quick human verification. Usually, it's just downloading a free app and opening it for a bit. Super simple. Once you finish the task, congratulations. Your boosted account will be ready to play. Now, reopen Shadow Fight 4 and check your gems balance. If you follow the steps, your new resources should be sitting in your account. I ran this earlier today and it worked like a charm, fast and smooth. And that's the guide how to unlock unlimited gems in Shadow Fight 4. Hope you enjoyed. If this helped you out, hit that like, share it with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're always first in line for the next tutorial. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment. I check them often, and I've got your back. Thanks for tuning in, enjoy the boost, and I'll catch you in the next video.